All right, the next thing we'll have to do is this menu. Create some kind of menu that we like. Things need to go, like this Thin2 GUI. That's definitely needs to go because we decided not to put it on the ISO. So, by the way, well, if you're wondering, variety is here, XFC is here, so the wallpaper is coming from different sources than just nitrogen. So once you uninstall or deactivate variety, then nitrogen will kick in. That's okay. But we've solved an issue that we would have seen otherwise, a wallpaper that did not exist anymore. So approach how to do this. Go to that one. Why is it still not responsive? I think I rebooted already. Maybe virtual machine and SSD, because it works. ArcoLinux. We need to get something for, and we don't know things by heart from time to time, like me now. There are packages called obmenu-generator-git, obmenu-generator-minimal-git. I need that one, the minimal one. So I'm going to the terminal, git clone me a whole lot of text. obmenu-generator minimal. Vlam. That's it. Now what I do need is Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V later on. I'm not going to do that. What I need is a new git clone. I'm going to think about the name, arcolinux-obmenu-generator-xtended. Okay, I'll make that on the other computer and I'll be back. So on the other end, on Firefox, I created a new one and the text is gone. So minimal is not the one, it's extended now. Okay, so we have two guys which are very similar. So let's start with this one and then that one. Ctrl H, that's the hidden folder, fine. And let's push that to the net. First commit. And let me log in. All right, done that. Fine. Well, it's on the server. I mean, it's in on GitHub. Don't need to go and have a look with Firefox. Now, what we need to do is get inside the code. Ctrl H. This is the code for obmenu-generator. Let's open them up both like this. Let's close that one, and that one. So that's the terminal. Terminal File Manager Web Browser. Terminal File Manager Web Browser. The menu for this needs, you don't touch this one. This is your user share application. Everything that's in that folder is going to be aligned, checked, and so on. Whenever you reinstall stuff, depending on your choice here. Where is the choice? Here, this one. Generate a pipe menu means every time, and if there's new installation, it's in here. And static means you don't create the menu on the spot. So if you install something or remove something, you need to manually do something there. We could give ArcoLinux the name extended or something, but let's just keep it as is. Will become too long, I think, which is not good. The web browser, don't really need the web browser. let's start changing things. There is Ctrl-Alt-F, there is Control, etc., etc. But this is working on ArcoLinux. So if we want to see what's happening, we don't see. Okay. So let's. This is saved already, I think. Yep. Let's work on the actual elements in here, so we can see what's going on whenever we change something. So we want to say that this one too big is too difficult for me to work. So Firefox line launch web browser is out. So we have terminal file manager. This one keep off. Conky, we need the conkeys. Preferences, all good. Compositor, good. Open box, not good. What needs to go? Open box. I don't like this anyway. These three lines are these three lines. No, these three lines, okay? And that one needs to go, and that one needs to go. So delete. This is a separator. Delete, delete. This one needs to be deleted, and that one needs to be deleted. Save. Preferences, open box. Yeah. Cool, right? That's it, huh? The line here is now not so interesting anymore. We're getting a smaller look here. Tin 2 needs to go. You're out. How does that look? We have made a problem, Houston. Houston, Control Z. Save. Okay. I see that end category. That's one we shouldn't do. Begin, end, end, beginning and end, right? If there's no end, he gets confused. That's cool. Much more like this one. I am also thinking about deleting these things, but if you're stuck, if you don't know the keyboard shortcuts and all that, and it's something we tend to grasp fast at terminal or file manager to figure things out. So I'm leaving them in. Otherwise, the menu could be even a little bit smaller. Would be nicer. This is as big as it is. I mean, you can't change these guys. We can actually move the conky under preferences if you like that. Since I'm always working with conkeys, that's why it's on the first level, not on the second level. It's good as it is, right? It's good. It's fine. So that's changed. Now that's changed locally. So again, I would rather not you just do a copy paste. I don't do it either. I do a file comparison just to make sure that I don't make any mistakes. Then I agree totally with every change that I've made. I do a ob-menu generator, this one, and I'm gonna go to ArcoLinux, my own one. So here I can make a mistake. Extended. All right. So these guys have been deleted, and that's correct. Open box, RCL, XML, auto start, ob-menu is gone. And that's cool. These guys can go as well. Tin 2 needs to go. What did I write down? I wrote down tin 2 out, Genie, as we've done that. So no Genie installed, not yet, I think. Did we install Genie? No need for Genie. Found not installed and not installed. Okay, so still not installed. Let's save this one. So now we have a new menu created for ourselves. This is the look. See no errors popping up. Well, we'll see later on if things go wrong. Conky editor maybe. The Conky editor maybe. Is that working with Genie? That might be working with Genie. So let's get rid of that as well. So again, open it up. Never use it anyway. Just go to the file, edit it. Oh no, true. That's inside. That's inside the pipe menus. That's not in here. That's a pipe menu that's coming out. Okay. Genie is in. Gonna be a little too long a story. Whatever. So he managed to weasel in. That's because of the pipe menus. It's in, which means it's gonna be in now here too. There's one thing I shouldn't do now before I check it. So I want to do a scal, but before I do that, all my work is still the same. Huh? Okay, now I can do scal, otherwise I've lost my data. Scal. Genie must be there. Let's have a look. Edit, Conky editor. And let's edit this one. Poof. Genie is there and working. So it's all depends. This is what I like to call domino, right? If you touch one thing, other things will fall as well. and that's difficult because it's all interlinked and intertwined, and yeah, whatever. Genie is in. Okay, I guess we need to make a package. You know by now how I'm making those packages. I don't think it will be oh, what did I just see? Okay, yeah, true. That's the scal, huh? That's the scal. That's why I said I don't want to lose anything. So that's the scal that came up. The ArcoLinuxB Xtended etc scal config. Control C, Control V, replace all. This is what we want, right? It looks good. Okay, so it's been pushed to the net. I don't know. Let's have a look. This one, just to be safe. Better safe than sorry. So you'll see me put test push. Voila, was not yet there. Okay, let's make a new package on the other side, the other computer, and we need to make a new package build there. Okay.